Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can repair your Bluetooth connection if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on the POCO F5. So when I have a problem with my headphones or any other Bluetooth device, I'm always starting from the simplest way: just switch off and switch on the Bluetooth connection to restart it. After that, you can also try to restart your phone by holding the power button and choose reboot. Okay, at the start you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory have activated power mode. How to do it? You will find the manual to the device. In my case, I have to click 3 times this button and my headphones starting in a power mode. So just check it in the manual to the device or maybe on your YouTube channel. And if you're sure that your Bluetooth accessory is visible for other devices in the power mode but still not for your phone, hold the finger on the Bluetooth icon and choose Bluetooth version update. Just try to update it and look for your device again on the Bluetooth list. If the Bluetooth accessory is still not visible for your phone, go to the settings, choose the connection and sharing and slide down to the Reset Wi-Fi mobile networks and Bluetooth. Choose reset settings, confirm pattern and tap on the OK. After that, look for the device again on the Bluetooth list. You can also try to update your system in the above phone and just tap on the MIUI version. If you have any update, just install it. And the last recommendation from me: check your Bluetooth accessory and your phone on other Bluetooth device to check which one is visible, which one making a problem here. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe and a comment, and goodbye.